All right, I'm now live again. Awesome. Yeah, how are you, everyone? Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching right now. This is Kirk Roldan, and today I'm very excited, no? Kakamiss din. It's been a month or two, I guess. Sa last live ko, no? And I'm very excited kasi may mga i-share akong bago sa inyo, guys, no? Check ko lang, no, if live is working now. Check ko lang. Hold on. Grabe, it's been a while, no? Kakamiss din mag-live dito. May mga ikikwento ko sa inyo, guys. May mga ikikwento ko sa inyo. Hold on lang. Hold on. Very exciting, no? Exciting. Exciting yung mga i-discuss natin. Kasi right now, I'm going to focus on providing and helping Filipino people. So, kaya gumawa tayo ng isang group, which is School of Prophets. Ayan. I-share ko yung link dito, guys, sa inyo. Ayan, no, makikita nyo sa ibaba, guys. School of Prophets. Join School of Prophets. Kirk Roldan, that site, and then start. Let me open my camera again. Alright, there you are. Awesome. Kamusta everyone? Grabe, nakakamiss, no? And it's been a while then since last akong nag-live. And marami-rami akong i-share ngayon and also mga expectation about everything, no, nagagawin natin sa bago nating community, School of Prophets. So, by the way, let's start by introducing myself. Ito na pala yung topic ko today, guys, ha. I-share ko lang yung screen ko. And let me know if you can see my screen. If okay ba. Okay naman yung screen ko, no? So everyone, if you have questions, just let me know. So today I'm very excited. By the way, this is the orange guy speaking. Alam niyo naman, but orange guy to kasi I'm always wearing orange sa lahat ng live natin, no? So I'm very excited sa topic natin today. Okay yung audio. Alright, so marami akong share, guys, no? But before that, magpapakilala muna ako. So, sino ba si Kirk Roldan? Sa mga bago lang na hindi pa nakakilala kasi we are going to record this. Lalagay natin siya sa platform, sa community. So, sa mga sa mga makaka-nod nito soon. So, by the way, my name is Kirk Roldan and I've been into business since 2011. So, nag-freelancer ako, no? Way back 2011. So, hindi na muna ako magdrama ngayon kasi mayroon naman akong other session where I share everything, no? Long story short, I started way back 2011 as a freelancer. And then from there, gumawa ko ng sarili kong agency. Yan na yung SEO agency ko na until ngayon, it's still working. Meron din akong VA agency ngayon. And yeah, that's me. That is Kirk Roldan. But marami pa. So, these are my team, no? We are an office-based company dito sa lugar namin sa Surigao City. And then we are office-based company. Nasa 50 kami ngayon dito sa office. And yeah, meron din ako mga partner agency. So total of mga 200 plus kami. Kasama yung mga partners namin sa agency, sa e-commerce, tsaka VA namin. And ayun, yeah, ito yung company namin, which is Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solution. Meron din akong Majimbu, which is a fitness digital agency, no? Meron akong VA agency. Meron akong different courses, training. I also hosted the World of Search Conference 2023 and 2024, business mentor at ODYS Global, and partner sa DTI at marami pang local government sa Pilipinas, partner with the ICT as well. Meron akong book, ilalabas ko pa siya this next month, no? And then I also contributed sa book na to, Advanced SEO Tips 2025. And then marami pa tayong ilalabas na book next month, no? Contributed pa rin. And then awards, I also speak at different conferences abroad like Vietnam, Bali, meron pa kasunod sa India, tsaka sa Phuket. And yeah, I guess that would be all muna, no? Wala munang drama. Wala na munang about me talaga na turo. So yun lang muna, no? And yeah, kasi may discuss ako sa inyo guys about this very important topic for today. So right now, about sa transitioning, kasi sa mga nakakilala sa akin, I'm sure meron dito, no? So, yeah, why I transitioned to helping Filipino people? For a couple of years now, I guess nasa 5 years, I'm teaching a lot of students abroad, no? Pakistan, India, may mga US clients din, Canadian clients, sa coaching, sa courses ko, sa SEO, tsaka sa agency building. And I was speaker at different conferences abroad. Speaking at a lot of events, no? It's either Zoom or face-to-face. And siguro umabot sa point na I was not happy and satisfied with what I'm doing. A lot of people think na, si Kirk andun, no, nakikita sa iba't ibang lugar. But then again, umabot sa point na I was not happy and satisfied with what I'm doing, no? So iba kasi guys iba kasi yung, for me, andun ako sa point na I'm not happy anymore with what I'm doing. Hindi naman sa agency, but yung mga nag-speak sa conference, ganoon, teaching a lot of students abroad and something like that. And parang may namimiss akong something, no? Siguro dahil why I always chase butterflies, no? Why I always doing that. Pero meron naman palang maraming tao dito sa Pilipinas na naghahanap ng tulong, or they're really looking for help when it comes to make money online, freelancing, virtual assistant, agency building, e-commerce, ganon. So that time, nag-grounding ako, no? Umabot sa point na nag-grounding ako, and then realization. Since last year din kasi, I was into na meditation, no? I do daily meditation. I wake up at 5 a.m. Doing meditation every single day, 5 a.m. tsaka 6 a.m. nagja-jog ako. So umabot, I guess that's also the reason why umabot ako sa point na I realize something, no? Why I always chase butterflies, why I always kasi yung makikita nyo, andun kasi guys yung pera sa international honestly. If you make a community sa Pilipinas, yung target lang natin, honestly ha, yung target lang natin, yung mga Filipino din, no, na magbebenta ka ng course, no? But when it comes to getting clients, hindi ganun kataas yung makukuha mong clients. Kasi walang problem doon, no? Depende naman yan sa trick mo. That time kasi mga 2019 nata yon. So tina-target ko talaga magturo sa international kasi andun yung pera eh. Yung mga clients ko sa coaching, they spend 1,000, 2,000 a month per session yun na, or 5 hours per month, nasa 2,000, 3,000. So andun talaga yung pera. And maraming, imagine if you target international, di ba, andun talaga yung maraming taong, syempre, clients, no? And also coaching clients, ganun. So, yan yung tinarget ko dati, way back 2019 or 18. And wala namang problem financially, kasi malaki nga yung kita. But then again, ngayon, siguro umabot na ako sa point na, why I chase butterflies, no? Meron namang maraming tao siguro dito sa lugar natin na naghahanap talaga ng legit na tulong. And that's why I want to transition for helping Filipino people instead of pupunta pa ako doon sa ibang bansa, mag-speak pa ako sa conference. Tatargetin ko pa yung international na mga tao. And I do daily live kasi meron din akong paid community na nasa 80 people lang. Hindi ganoon kadami, but then again, solid monthly nagbabayad yun eh. So yun lang siguro yung i-continue ko, but then again, I'm not going to provide a lot of content when it comes to like to international. No more punta pa ako doon, nandito naman, 'di ba? And when it comes to selling courses na din, so wala na, tapos na ako doon. So right now, I just want to build my community, no, which is it's called School of Prophets. Ayun ito. So, School of Prophets, ayan, idadaan ko yung link sa ibaba. So, para sa mga makapanood nito, makikita nyo dyan, guys. So, yeah, that is School of Prophets. Scroll down that site and start. So, grabe, marami tayong ituturo doon. So, that's the story, no? Marami akong realization. Try nyo meditation every single day. Marami kayong ma-discover sa self nyo. I also do personal development and grounding talaga. Grabe. Sasabihin mong tama ka, mali ako. Yes, you are correct. Mali talaga ako. Hindi na ako makipag-debate pa sa'yo. Kung sasabihin mo mayaman ka, okay, mayaman ka. Hindi ako mayaman. Ganun ako ngayon. Siguro, kung bibigyan mo ako ng problema, siguro hindi ko ialaw yung energy mo na papasok sa akin, no? And limit lang yung mga taong pinapalapit sa akin, pinapalapit ko sa sarili ko. So I'm very strict right now when it comes to that. I don't want yung mga energy ng negative na mga tao pupunta pa yan sa akin, no? It's you, yan ka, ito ako, ganon. So, dami akong i-share sa inyo, guys, no? Dami akong i-share sa inyo, and I believe I'm the right person kasi I'm sure meron ding mga nakaka-relate din dito sa inyo na ando na, umabot na sa ganito, but then again, they are not satisfied, they are not happy anymore with what they are doing. And ayun, kaya I want to build a community which is School of Prophets for me to help Filipino make money online. Yung mga pinagdaanan ko na 15 years of experience making money online sa e-commerce, sa SEO, sa agency, sa VA, yan yung mga ituturo ko dito. No? So, punta tayo dito. So, what is School of Prophets? Ayan, welcome. So, I build this sa mga Pilipino, no? For Filipino only who wants to make money online with VA, freelancing, agency building, e-commerce, and more. Papag-usapan natin lahat ng ways, basta legit, on how you can make money online. This is back with my 15 years experience online. Hindi ako like, gumawa ng community just to sell you a course. Tapos na ako dyan before nagbibenta ko ng course until now. But here, I'm very serious with what I'm doing here sa community na to. No? Just pure value. So, kung gusto mong sumabay, libre tong community na to, mag-join ka dito. Tulungan tayo. And isa kasi to dun sa vision ko din na I'm going to build a school dito sa lugar namin sa Surigao City. School. So ngayon, sinimulan ko na siya pero online muna. And I need to test if kasi gagawin ko yan maximum 5 years sa vision ko, nakikita ko na yan, and yeah, build a school dito sa Surigao City. Yung school na maraming, di ba, sa lugar kasi namin, may mga undergrad, graduate, professional, but then again, wala silang mga trabaho. So I want to build a school helping them know how to make money online, know how to start their career, agency, tapos mag-aaral sila doon libre, tapos bibigyan namin ng opportunity or tuturuan namin sila paano kumita online. 'Di ba? Kung standby ka, 'di ba? It's a good thing for you kasi pwede kang magkapera doon. No? So ito na, sinimulan ko na siya, online muna ngayon, 'di ba? And hopefully soon yan yung main goal natin. School of Profits in person soon, 5 years from now. So ayun, I'm very excited, no? So ano ba yung mga pag-uusapan natin dito? So step by step guide. Hindi lang to for freelancing but how you can start your agency, how to make money from your agency, how to build a VA agency, how to build a marketing agency. Ito din e-commerce. So yan din yung isa sa pinag-aabalahan ko ngayon lately, no? So I do local e-commerce again, and it's very overwhelming and it's working now. So yeah, share ko din yan. Basta legit na way on how to make money online, pag-uusapan natin dyan sa community na to. So join kayo dito, mayroong link sa ibaba, kirkloldan.site, then start. No? So yeah, we have a weekly live like this one, weekly live session, workshops, mini challenges, wins, pag-uusapan natin yan dito. If, for example, meron kang e-commerce store ngayon, check natin yan anong problema, and then we will dissect ano yung problem tsaka ano yung solution. Live, pwede natin gawin yan. Also, checklist, no? Mga checklist, mga templates, case studies na mga ginagamit namin for our clients, no? Papakita natin dyan dito. Q&A. We also have a Q&A. And then, marami tayong gagawin dito, guys. So, I want you to invite your friends, colleagues. Mamimigay din tayo dito ng GCash. No? Tulungan lang talaga dito sa community na to. Mission, very simple. Help every member turn online skills into a steady cash flow while keeping things collaborative, practical, and proudly Filipino. So, join kayo dito, guys. No, this is free community for Filipino only. So, mag-add ako dito ng mga punta lang kayo sa classroom. So, ito na, naglagay na ako ng iba. So, marami guys, interviews. So, i-interview natin yung mga milyonaryo sa e-commerce, mga sa agency, sa freelancing, yung mga taong nagiging successful online. Interview natin yan sila, lagay natin dito. Meron din tayo mga freebies, no? Lagay din natin dyan. Itong mga webinar, episode 1 to 100, or saan abutin to, lagay natin dito sa section na to. WOSCON, this is a free, actually this is a paid course, no, sa World of Search Conference. It's an SEO conference na ginawa namin last 2 years. You can access this, guys, no? This is free for everyone. Ayan, no? Tingnan nyo dito. Grabe. You can learn a lot from this alone, no? What's SEO? If you want to make money in SEO, just go here, watch this training. This is very valuable and it's free. Yun pa. And then I will add a lot of training courses here, guys. Punta kayo dito. So, meron din tayong calendar of events. So, weekly, mag-share ako dito ng date, schedule. Check nyo na lang dito, guys, if member na kayo. No? Meron na tayong members. So, we have 21 members. Thank you, guys. No? Join lang kayo. And then, ayun. Meron na palang dalawa. Thank you, Kenneth, Jamie, for joining here. No? But then again, hindi ako mag-English dito kasi tapos na ako for doing trainings for international clients. So magtatagalog na ako from now on. And it's fulfilling kasi imagine sa akin kasi honestly lang nahirapan ako mag-English, no? For how many years tinitiis ko lang 'yan just to create videos. Yun yung until now, no? For 5 years or 6-7 years na ako nagtuturo online. Tiniis ko lang yan. I speak English kahit mali-mali yung mga grammar, yung iba. Just to do that. Imagine that frustration alone. Napakahirap yan for me. But then again, ginawa ko yan kasi andun yung pera eh, di ba? Doon ka makakatulong eh. Yan yung language mo, yan yung market mo. Pero deep inside sa sarili ko pala, marami akong problem. Kasi tinitiis ko yung mga bagay na hindi ako. Ginagawa ko yung mga bagay na hindi ako. And I want to stop doing that. Because I'm not happy, that's not me. Focus na akong sino ako, that's my strength. And let's see, saan papatungo to, di ba? But the ultimate goal is to help people. That's it pa rin. And I'm very honest right now with what I'm saying to you guys. So, yeah, sabay kayo kasi napakainit pa. Init pa talaga. Hindi lang to about sa napakarami akong ituturo dito, my God. And also not only me, but mag-invite tayo ng maraming tao, successful people, every aspect ng make money. Hindi lang online, ha? Hindi lang online. Yun yung sa kagandahan dito. Hindi lang to online, on how to make money online, but also meron kang negosyo locally, sari-sari store, i-feature kita dito. Successful ka sa real estate mo, successful ka sa local business mo, i-feature kita dito kasi this is a school of profits. No? Basta legit yung ginagawa mo, i-feature kita dito. Gagawin natin yan. Alright? So I'm very excited, guys. Now, so, alright, going back to our topic, which is for every Filipino ready to turn skills into profits. So I want to start by sharing this. Hold on. Share screen. By the way, guys, if you have questions, this is the right time to add it here in the comment box. Okay? Okay, so topic natin today, paano kayo pwede kikita online, no? Ito yung mga skills na pwede niyong gawin for you to make money online. Okay? So, pwede niyo tong tingnan itong video na ginawa ko dati So punta lang kayo sa YouTube guys, how I made my first 20K in SEO. Sa mga nag-SEO dyan or freelancing, I started doing SEO way back 2011. So right now I'm 15 years in this industry. And yes, share ko lahat yan, mga story natin dito. Punta lang kayo guys sa YouTube, which is Kirk Roldan. Search nyo lang. And then watch this video, how I made my first 20K in SEO. And then you can learn more from me. Saan ako nagsimula, my struggle. So that's why hindi ko na kanina talaga in step by step yung about me kasi andito nagawa ko ng video separately. So tingnan nyo to, nasa video ko, YouTube channel ko. And also ito pa, how to start a VA agency and make 50K a month without experience. 50K a month, that is possible. Yes, that is possible. May mga kumikita na din 5M peso a month, 6, 10 a month. So that's very possible guys, no? Yan din yung isa sa mga ituturo natin dito sa community na to. Alright? Watch nyo yan sa YouTube channel ko, Kirk Roldan. Follow kayo, subscribe kayo guys. Okay? Okay, so ituturo ko ngayon yung mga skills na pwede nyong gawin online na pwede kayong kikita. So isa na dyan si web design or web development. So you can ito, you need to have experience talaga. It takes months or even years for you to build your web design or development career. Kasi some of them nagko-coding, some of them nag-WordPress, but hindi siya ganun kadali eh. So this is more advanced web development, but if mahilig ka mag-code, mag-web design, then this is also profitable digital marketing skills for you. SEO, ito yung ginagawa namin hanggang ngayon, no? For 15 years now, ito lang talaga yung, kasi yung ibang nag-freelance, they go to other skills like social media, email marketing. But ako, nagdiretso na ako sa SEO, no? I do SEO directly. And then social media marketing, no? Social media management, Facebook ads, ganon. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, management of their social media accounts, gumagawa ng posts, something like that. So I'm not going to train you guys sa topic na to. I-discuss ko lang yung mga skills na pwede nyong pagkitaan online. But kasi meron tayo separate na training for that. Graphics design. So mahilig kang mag-graphics designing or video editing. Pwede mo din yung subukan, but it could take months eh. Kasi you need to have designing knowledge. Hindi lang kasi ito gagawa ka lang ng video or graphics eh. Meron ka dapat skills, no? For paano tumingin ng magandang image. Iba-iba kasi yung design eh. Like for you, maganda to pero hindi pala maganda. But sa other people, maganda. Sa'yo, hindi to maganda. So, meron kang design skills. Coding, ito din. So, web design din to. UX, UI design, consulting, data analytics, AI prompt engineering, pwede din to. So, uso ngayon yung AI, guys. Napakalaking opportunity ng AI ngayon if you want to incorporate AI. Nako, napakalaking kitaan din yan ngayon. Alright, magaling kang magsulat or gusto mong pasokin yung pagsusulat, no? Writing content. Then, ito yung mga pwede mong gawin. So, copywriting, yung sa website, gagawa ka ng sales page, no, landing pages, content, product description, pwede yan. Or blogging, so mga blog, sa mga blog section, sa mga news website, pwede mo din dyan gawin. Technical SEO, o technical writing, SEO lang yung, So, how-to guides, documentation, manual, ito, script writing for YouTube ads, YouTube content, social media content, pwede din to, script writing, resume, ghostwriting, pwede ka din gagawa ng libro. Marketing and sales. Pwede din to guys, napakalaking malaki din yung pwedeng kitain sa marketing. So, digital advertising, Facebook, Google, TikTok ads, funnel building. So, it's either GHR, ClickFunnels, email marketing, brand strategy, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, store setup or management. Ito din isa sa mga ituturo natin. CRM, automation. By the way guys, itong community na to, grabe. Kaya ako excited ngayon kasi hindi lang ako yung magtuturo dito sa community na to, no? Marami tayong mga i-invite na mga speakers magagaling sa freelancing, sa pag-build ng business, sa agency, sari-sari store, successful case studies, ganun. I-feature natin lahat yan dito, no? Marami tayong abangan dito, guys. So, take note, join kayo dito, School of Profits, and dyan yung link sa ibaba, KirkRoldan.site, start, join kayo dito, guys. Kasi right now, meron na nga WOSCON 2024, oh. And then, may lalagay pa tayo dito mga content. Okay? So, photography, pwede din dyan. Illustration, digital arts, music production, gumagawa ng mga beat, mga background, na mga audio, video, voice over. Yung sa mga advertisement, may nag-voice over, yun. Animation, yan. Motion graphics, pwede din yan. You can also become a coach, no? Mag-tutor ka online ng math. Maraming mga sites pwede ka magturo eh. No, kung gusto mo mag-tutor, pwede yan. Course creation, lagay mo sa Udemy, or if you can build your own site, lagay mo yung course mo. Coaching, consultation, so ito din yung ginagawa ko sa international. I'm consulting clients. Depende kung sino yung target mo. Sa international lab, mahal to siya, like 1,000 USD minimum per month. But sa Pilipinas, siguro mas mura-mura lang, no? Language, translation, public speaking, hosting a webinar, it's either online or face-to-face conference, ganon. Ayan, virtual assistant, admin support, or general assistant, customer support, customer service, chat, bookkeeping, real estate, ito, drop shipping or e-commerce. Pwede mo din tong gawin, guys. Okay? Hands-on skills, DIY, handicraft, art, no? Pwede kang magbenta sa Shopee, sa Etsy, or sa site mo. Pwede ka din maging fitness influencer or fitness planner. Gagawa ka ng mga downloadable, tapos pwede mo siyang ibenta. Pwede ka din mag-start ng YouTube channel mo, focusing to a product line. Pagpo-promote ka ng mga skincare products, and then they will give you commission or partnership fees, ganun. Interior design, pwede dito. And other skills that multiplies other skills that multiply other skills. So pwede dito project management, pwede kang mag-join sa isang company as a project manager, no? You can organize their company, their task, their team. Pwede din to closer. So by the way guys, I'm looking for a closer right now. If merong closer dito magaling magbenta, they have experience with B2B, business to business, closing clients or prospects, mag-apply kayo guys. I need someone na magaling sa closing, no? And then networking, community building. So mag-build kayo ng community, papalakihin niyo yung community. Time management. and then problem solving. So yan yung mga skills guys na pwede nyo pagkitaan online, no? Marami pa. Ito lang yung mga nilagay ko. So if you have any questions, drop it down lang dito sa comment box. Okay, and then lastly, what makes a skill profitable online? No? What makes a skill profitable online? Okay? So number one, there's a clear demand. So hindi ibig sabihin na okay, ito, magandang skill na to, tapos gagawin mo. Pero kung wala palang demand yan, wala palang nagbabayad, wala palang demand yung service na yan or yung skill na yan, don't do it. Kasi masasayang lang oras mo, di ba? The goal is to make money online, di ba? So, think about the skills na merong demand, like yung mga pinag-uusapan natin dito. You can search that sa Google, how much the skills cost per client, per month, para malaman mo kung magkano. So make sure that there's a demand. Meron kang problem or merong problem na pwede mong ma-solve. Kasi maraming tao naghahanap ng solutions online eh. So make you as a solution to their problem and then dun ka papasok. So pag ganon, mag-isip ka, may demand yan, may kita yan. It has paying clients or platforms. Yes, of course, merong mga tao na nag-job, merong mga job posting for that, no? Like SEO, like how to create an e-commerce store, mga ganon. How to make a product description, mga ganon. How to create content. So may mga taong nagbabayad for that. Pakikita nyo yung prices or yung rates dun sa ibaba if you are in Upwork, legit online jobs, no? You can do that. So look for clients dun sa mga sites na yon. You can start from there, no? Kasi yeah, mas madali lang makahanap ng clients sa mga sites na yon compared if you build your own from like making a website, tapos mag-outreach ka, bibuild mo yung brand mo, mas mahirap yun eh. So focus ka muna sa mga freelancing sites if you're a newbie, kasi mas madali doon. But then again, yung competition din napakarami. But still, that's a good thing for you to start, no? Again, it has a paying clients. Third, you can deliver results quickly. So, mag-isip tayo guys na this is a recurring payment, like the client will pay per month, no? And you can deliver the results quickly. Okay naman, wala namang problema sa mga one-time job like graphic design. But the problem there is kung isa lang yung matatapos mong design, graphics, yun lang yung kikitain mo, no? Kasi that's why I'm very comfortable kung recurring, like nagbabayad talaga sila every month, no? Kaysa one-time na skills, no? Or if you're a graphic design, if the client hired you full-time, then it's okay kasi nagbabayad pa rin siya sa iyo monthly. But kung isa lang yung design, then isa lang din yung kikitain mo. I don't have any problem with graphic design na napaka-ganda ng skills na yan and it's also high-paying. But for me, iba-iba tayong trip, di ba? So yung trip ko naman is recurring or monthly. And then, yeah, you can deliver the result quickly. Like, wag yung it could take a year matapos. It could take a year, dun ka pakikita, di ba? Or napakatagal, di ba? So, think about that skills na repeatable at also pwede mo siya ma-deliver quickly. Ito, it can be repeated or scaled. So, yun. Mas scaled ba? Like, for example, you can build a system or you can hire someone to do that for you. Yun. That's better, di ba? If you can hire someone to do that for you, parang goal mo na lang is to get clients, no? Paulit-ulit, hanap ka ng skills na pwede mong gamitin paulit-ulit, no? Like yung ginagawa namin ngayon, SEO, mamaster mo siya paulit-ulit na lang siya, no? Magta-trial and error ka na lang, mag-check ka na lang. But then again, the knowledge is there kasi ginagawa mo siya for years now. And it can grow with you. Yun. Think about a skill na gusto mo guys kasi this will take long term eh. Hindi lang tayo nag-uusap ng 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But think about the future of it, like 5 years, 10 years, ginagawa mo pa rin siya. No? Yun. So, yeah, I guess that would be all. Again, join kayo dito sa School of Prophets. This is episode 1, no? And the episode 1 is very, getting to know you, getting to know your expectation about this community so we can be on the same page. Join kayo dito guys kasi marami pa tayong gagawin sa community na to. I'm going to share everything that I learned from making money online and offline as well. So, I'm very excited and build tayo ng maraming successful na tao sa Pilipinas. And happy for you to be here. That would be all for now. A great weekend, everyone, and hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.